Unifix Reading Early Phonics Kit gives students the same great Unifix hands-on learning experience for reading that they know from using Unifix cubes for math. This is a great kit and one of my favorites because it makes the transition and uses a manipulative that students are already familiar with, Unifix cubes. So in this kit, which is specifically geared towards kindergarten students, there are letter cubes included, an activity book, and self-correcting cards. Let's take a look at each one of these. The letter cubes, the blue cubes are your consonants, while the red are vowels. On one side of a cube is a lowercase, and on the opposite side is the uppercase. The activity book can be used as reproducibles so that students can work on their own on each of these pages. The self-correcting cards have one side where it's looking for the student to add a letter and make a word, and the other side shows them what it looks like corrected. For example, bat and bat. Let's take a look at one of the reproducibles. On this page specifically is word building. If you notice, I see a picture of a cap, and it starts me out with the first letter, which is a C. To work on this page, I would look for my capital C, my lowercase a, and my lowercase p to make cap. That would show cap. What I love about this is once I put this word together, I then need to practice my handwriting and write that word here next to it. When I'm using the self-correcting cards, for example, bat, I would look for my capital B, my lowercase a, and my lowercase t. I can check my work by looking at the back. These are great activities to use in small groups, to use independently, or to have the special educator work with their students in the same room on these activities.